Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Aries, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So, in your circumstances today, you are thinking about something, you are making a very important decision, and you are thinking whether it's a right thing for you or whether it will work well for you. And you are a very determined person, Aries. You are confident about yourself, confident about your skills and talents, and you are making a move. Maybe you are taking a new job or you are moving to a different place. So some changes in your circumstances are coming today in your career, or it may be some changes in your relationship. So you are a very friendly person, kind, compassionate, loving, and caring. But you have certain ideals for yourself and you follow those ideals to the T. You never give up and you have firm belief and you never change your ways and you are very stubborn about something which you truly believe in. So that may be the reason this person you love, they may find it a little difficult to adjust to your way of life or uh, to the way you are handling your circumstances. And today you are thinking about something important. So it may be about the next step of this relationship, what you must do, what will be your plans. But if you are wise enough to handle your situation the right way, being patient, trying to understand this person, because you are worried about something, you are worried about this person, you do not trust them completely, and you believe that they are doing something, maybe they are having some distractions and they are not like before. So something is confusing you and something is shaking that trust you have on this person. So we will see. It's Seven of Wands. So you are struggling in your relationship, but you have honest intentions. You want to make this connection work. So you are trying your best. You are being friendly with this person, giving them time, trying to resolve the situation. But this person you love, they have something else on their mind, or they have someone else on their mind. They are meeting someone and they are not showing interest in you anymore. So that may be the reason for their behavior or their attitude. But Aries, you must be wise enough to make the right choices today, whatever is right for you. So if circumstances are not clear, you must wait for clarity. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card here. It's Two of Wands in reverse. So there is an opportunity waiting for you, some surprise that is going to help you a lot. Maybe you were quite worried about this change of job or some changes in your career, some obstacles or difficulties you are facing, and you are trying your best, but you are not seeing expected results. But today, something is going to surprise you, and you will be very happy for that, Aries. So, that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So we will see what is this card. So for those who chose this card, it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship today, you are seeing love all around you, and this may be the time for you to open your heart for receiving and giving love. And love is meant to flow through you, and love is a cleansing energy that is going to make you feel your soul's worth and make you feel happy. It's going to inspire you today, but you must be open for love. And you may have certain expectations of others, the way they should be towards you. But first, you must live up to your expectations. So, whatever you expect of them, you must be able to express your love that way towards yourself and towards others. So, first, the starting point is with us. We must start with us, loving ourselves. And then we can move on to loving others. So, this is the time for you to give and receive love, express love, and trust that when you are open to love, you will see loving partnerships are coming in your life. You will find people who are really friendly to you, who are loving, caring, and understanding. And that way, you will be able to heal your old wounds. And love is the healing power in our life, guys. We should never forget that. And whatever experiences we see in our life, love will bring us through, will see us through in any difficulties, will make us afloat, and we will see that whatever our circumstances may be, that love and that friendship is going to help us, is going to guide us to the light. So that is the energy here with this card for you, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So for those who chose the second card, we will see what it is. Rumpelstiltskin. Secrets. So with this card, in your situation, are you making some impossible promises, or are you taking on something that is impossible task, something that is beyond your talents and skills and efforts? Maybe you should see what you are promising today, because something that has been told, some kind of a word or a promise you made, and if you are not able to keep that, that is going to be a burden on your heart, and that is going to weigh you down. So today, this card means that there may be a circumstance you are in today, and you are making some promises that you cannot keep. So you must be very careful about the consequences. Or there may be people who are making promises on your behalf. So You are the victim of some kind of exploitation. People are trying to use you. So you must be careful with whom you speak openly about yourself, about your life, or uh, on whom you rely on today. So, people whom you cannot trust, you can never trust, guys. And you have your talents and gifts, and you need to be valued for those talents and gifts. And you need to value yourself for those talents and gifts. So, whatever obligation, impossible obligations you have, you must not make any promises, taking burden on yourself which you cannot handle. So that is the energy here. And maybe there is a way out. You will find the solution you need, but before that, you must not take a difficult path today. So this may be a subtle warning for you guys. Maybe you must think of what you can do and make promises based on that. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you next time. Bye guys.